Welcome back. We're gonna make this video nice, short, and sweet. I got some hamburgers I'm about to eat. Let's go ahead and hit these problems. I'm gonna go to 150 top interview questions. Scroll down a little bit. Like I told y'all before, we are done with arrays and strings. So now our new section, I gotta get this candy done. A new section is 2 pointers, and we are to sum 2 input array is sorted. This problem is marked as medium. Let's see if it is medium. See if it's too hard for our chat GTP. Do I need to copy this last line? I do. I'm going to. The way up. Let's copy that. So let's go ahead and pop this into our chat GTP thingy and see if we can make this problem easy to understand.
Step 1, understanding the problem. You have a list of numbers sorted in ascending order, and you need to find 2 numbers that add up to a target value. You return these 1-based indices, positions starting at 1, not 0. For example, input, numbers equals 2, 7, 11, 15, target equals 9. Output, 1, 2 because 2 plus 7 equals 9. Does this part make sense?
Makes sense. Let's do anime thing.
Here's the problem recap. Yumi, our anime heroine, has a list of numbers that's already in order. She needs to find 2 numbers in the list that add up to a special target number. Let's say a treasure chest's code. Once she finds them, she has to return their positions in the list, but in anime style where the count starts from 1, not 0. For example, if the list is 2, 7, 11, 15, and the target is 9, the 2 numbers are 2 and 7. These are at positions 1 and 2 in the list. If the list is 2, 3, 4, and the target is 6, the 2 numbers are 2 and 4. These are at positions 1 and 3. Does this recap feel easier to follow?
Then continue this.
All right, now let's move to step 2, strategy. Yumi knows the numbers are sorted, so she decides to use a 2-pointer technique to find the treasure chest code quickly. Here's her strategy. 1, start with 2 magical pointers. One at the beginning of the list, let's call it left. The other at the end of the list, let's call it right. 2, check the sum of the 2 numbers at the left and right positions. If the sum equals the target, Yumi has found the answer and will return the positions of those 2 numbers, adding 1 to each position because she counts like a true anime heroine, starting at 1. If the sum is too small, move the left pointer 1 step forward to try a bigger number. If the sum is too big, move the right pointer 1 step backward to try a smaller number. 3, repeat until Yumi finds the 2 numbers. Here's how Yumi would write it. The code, Java class solution, public int, toSum, int numbers, int target, start the 2 pointers, int left equal to 0. Pointer at the start of the array, int right equals numbers.lengthIce 1. Pointer at the end of the array. Keep searching until the pointers meet while left right. Int current sum equals numbers left plus numbers right. Calculate the sum if current sum equals target. Yumi found the answer. Return the 1 index positions, return new int, left plus 1, right plus 1. Else, if current sum target, the sum is too small, move the left pointer forward left plus. Else, the sum is too big, move the right pointer backward right. If no solution is found, though the problem guarantees one, return an empty array, return new int, step-by-step explanation, 2 pointers initialization. Left starts at the beginning of the array, index 0. Right starts at the end of the array, index length 1. 2. Loop logic. Calculate the sum of the numbers at the left and right positions. If the sum matches the target, we return the 1 indexed positions. If the sum is less than the target, move the left pointer forward to increase the sum. If the sum is greater than the target, move the right pointer backward to decrease the sum. 3. Guaranteed solution. The problem guarantees that there will always be a solution, so the loop will always find it. Now, Yumi is ready to input the numbers and find her treasure chest code. Do you want to run through an example together to see how it works?
Yo, I love it. I love it. Yo, and I like that our thumbnails are creating like a theme. This one is fire. I like this one. I don't even need to do another one because this one is perfect. I like it. I hope y'all like it too. Leave in the comments down below if you like this thumbnail, because I am feeling this. Give it a thumbs up, copy that bad boy, and let's go ahead and plug this problem into our editor and see if it works. Hopefully it does, because I'm hungry. I want to go eat. Boom, let's see if that works. Come on, baby. Case 1, case 2, and case 3 pass. Container with most water. And this one's also medium. You guys like this story? You like the thumbnail? Let me know. Let's look at this thumbnail again. I had to break it down several times because I didn't understand. I'm a little slow right now, so forgive me. But hopefully you guys understand it. The story makes sense. And we can go ahead and close this one out as complete. All right, peace. See you in the next one.